If you've been wondering what everyone is you pushed out taught by Neville Goddard means, this is the video for you. In this video, I'll describe what is the meaning of this term and how it can help in your manifestation. So, do stay till the end of this video because you'll realize how powerful you are, and if you're new to this YouTube channel or haven't subscribed to it yet, please do so by clicking the red subscribe button below this video and pressing the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from our YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's jump straight into today's topic. Neville Goddard introduced the expression, "everyone is you pushed out," to emphasize that the world you see and feel is an extension of yourself. It places the person at the center of their existence, allowing them to take action to alter their lives rather than being victims of their circumstances. Everyone is you pushed out, what does it mean? We are the God of our world, according to Neville Goddard. He discussed how we are not at the mercy of how others believe. If you know what you want, you may take action by visualizing what will happen once you've obtained it. He claims that what you go through in life is a mirror of yourself. This has been stated in many ways by manifestation teachers. Another way to put it is that instead of blaming others for your situation, recognize that you have the ability to improve yourself. This is a difficult concept for individuals who have grown up believing that they are unable to change their circumstances because of the actions of others. In the lecture, I Remember When, Neville says, "Learn to control your wonderful imagination and you will discover that the whole vast world is yourself pushed out." Is everyone as you pushed out, EIYPO, real? If you're new to Neville Goddard's teachings or haven't had much success manifesting, you might be skeptical. Does everyone you pushed out make sense? It is okay to ask questions. In contrast to some other manifestation groups, Neville Goddard urged individuals to examine the law for themselves rather than accept his statements as gospel. When put to practical application, the phrase, "everyone is you pushed out," makes sense. Scientists have discovered that every one of us has a unique way of experiencing the world. Our imaginations may tell us stories about ourselves based on our opinions about the scenario. This becomes clear when we realize that various societies have different perspectives on the same person. There is no one truth about how people are seen. While we may adore someone, someone else may despise them. We may alter our perception of the world by altering ourselves and our own opinions. How to use everyone as you pushed out in manifestation. Can you use the knowledge that EIYPO, everyone as you pushed out, has given you to manifest your desires more quickly? Yes. Knowing you have power over your reality, rather than believing it is something that occurs to you, might help you focus on the current moment rather than worrying about the future. The solution you've been seeking has always been within you. Don't respond when someone acts inappropriately against you. Consider a situation in which they perform exactly how you want them to. This does not imply that you are manipulating them. Because the world is a reflection of yourself, when you alter how you react to people, their reactions change as well. How to use everyone as you pushed out to manifest your specific person. One of the most common reasons that someone new is brought to Neville Goddard's teaching is because they wish to manifest a relationship with someone. The term specific person, is used by individuals who follow Neville Goddard's teachings to manifest a connection. Are you attempting to create a relationship? Then this section will assist you in utilizing everyone you pushed out in order to manifest your ex or a specific individual. Because the entire world mirrors you, altering yourself may affect how the world reacts to you. If you wish to reconnect with an ex, recognize that when a serious relationship ends, it is not just the responsibility of one person. While we are all inclined to believe that we are right and the other person is wrong, recognize that because everyone is you pushed out, you too had a hand in the end of a relationship. But, let me tell you, one of the most typical repercussions when using everyone is you pushed out in relationships. If you're in an abusive or unhealthy relationship, don't use everyone as you pushed out to blame yourself and stay in the relationship. This is an example of self-sabotage. Everyone as you pushed out allows you to live the life you want. This entails leaving connections that are no longer beneficial to you. With the thinking of everyone as you pushed out, you're in control of your life. You may also use it to forgive your ex. They reacted to you when you didn't know any better. When you forgive your ex, you reclaim the power back within you. You'll be in a lot better position to get the ex back into a stronger relationship if you reclaim that power back with you. Make use of your understanding of manifestation to improve your life. Keep in mind that you have the power. How to use everyone as you pushed out to manifest a better life. It's time to take command of your life once you realize you have the capacity to alter it. You may finally be free of the victim attitude since you know everyone is you pushed out. You are not helpless in the face of the world. It all begins with your imagination. If you want to modify how someone treats you, the exception being violent or destructive relationships, picture them acting exactly as you want them to. You may manifest using any manifestation technique, such as SATs by Neville Goddard. Everyone is you pushed out example. Imagine a setting in which your friend is smiling at you if you want them to be nicer. Feel the warmth of your grin and the delight you feel. I hope you now understand the concept of everyone is you pushed out. As you progress through your manifestation journey, you will discover more about it. When you recognize that everyone is a reflection of you, you're on the correct course. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful in your manifestation journey. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on it, please leave a comment below the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.